the neck mount has rapidly become a favorite tool for capturing truly immersive, first-person point-of-view footage that lets viewers experience the moment exactly as you did. In this video, I will show the neck mounts for action cameras.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Smallrig Magnetic Neck Mount. The Smallrig Magnetic Neck Mount redefines convenience for content creators who need speed and versatility in the field above all else. Its standout feature is incredibly obvious right out of the box. An innovative magnetic connection system that allows you to attach and detach your action camera instantly with a satisfying snap. Seamlessly switch between horizontal and vertical POV angles using the magnetic interface, making it ideal for action sports, vlogging, and hands-free adventure filming. The streamlined silicone neckband with a total length of 600 mm comfortably contours around your neck to reduce pressure during extended wear. A responsive quick-release button allows fast attachment and removal of your action camera, helping you save time during high-energy, fast-paced activities. On number 2, we have Telesin Southeast 2.0 Neck Mount. For those who prioritize sustained comfort during long shooting sessions, the Telesin Southeast 2.0 neck mount is often considered the gold standard in this category. This neck mount features an innovative built-in swivel mechanism that supports 90 degrees rotation with 4 adjustable angles, allowing you to switch instantly between horizontal and vertical shooting without additional adapters. The hands-free design lets you stay focused on your activities while capturing natural, immersive POV footage during hiking, biking, travel, daily outings, and more. An air cushion layer beneath the neck base reduces friction and pressure, ensuring comfortable wear even during extended use. The included adjustable chest strap attaches to the upgraded buckles on the neck mount, improving stability so your action camera stays steady during running, jumping, or other high-movement activities for smooth, shake-free footage. A convenient one-button release system allows quick locking and unlocking for effortless setup and removal. The upgraded aluminum alloy locking buckle adds strength and durability, ensuring reliable performance over time. On number 3, we have PGYTECH Caplock Neck Mount. Security is paramount when you are involved in more intense action sports, and the PGYTECH Caplock Neck Mount addresses this concern head-on with its proprietary locking mechanism. Secure your camera effortlessly with the Caplock Quick Release System, featuring one-step mounting, 4-way installation, and rock-solid stability for both landscape and portrait shooting. The adjustable chest harness delivers shake-free footage during running, cycling, or high-intensity action, with elastic webbing and quick-release buckles providing a secure, customizable fit for all body types. Ideal for activities like skiing, surfing, fishing, skateboarding, and more. This mount lets you capture dynamic first-person footage completely hands-free. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, the action camera neck mount combines durability with an ultra-lightweight design for easy portability. A silicone-coated, skin-friendly neck tube paired with adjustable aluminum strips ensures a snug, comfortable, and slip-resistant fit throughout your adventures.